Hey guys, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. What we're doing today is installing some flora-retaining. Let me see if you can get to where you can see behind me. There's a embankment up here. You can see this stump that's right there, and then this embankment over here is having some erosion problems washing down. And there's a little area over here that they use to have, you know, little cookouts and things, and then the cabin sits right back here. And so we're trying to take this area right here, trying to take that area and do a planting on it that's going to help hold the ground and keep the soil from eroding and washing out. Now, it's probably pretty hard to tell because the camera doesn't pick up as much detail as a human eye does. But if you'll look, let me step down here so that you can see it. Right there, there's a natural walkway, but then you can see it kind of ends, and then it goes over, and if you'll look right there is the septic tank, and then it goes over to the edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this section out right there. We're going to cut that section out and bring it down a little bit, so we take the high side and bring it low, and that helps fill up this little swell right here. I mean, not swell, we're going to make a little swale so that the water will stay right there, and then we're going to do a planting back up on top of it. And then we're going to plant some flora-retaining spicata, which is grass. Most people would know it as monkey grass, but instead of growing in clumps, it grows in individual stem sections. It's very aggressive, grows almost anywhere. It's super hardy. In fact, it's almost an invasive species. Up top, we're going to plant some up that section up there. We're going to plant some vinca major, and it's actually, we're going to plant a variegated vinca major, and then along the edge, along the slope, we're going to plant some vinca minor and hope that it will grow and root. What we have found is that planting above the edge of the cliff actually helps more than planting on the cliff, because the water runs downhill, and so the erosion comes from the top down. I mean, that's what we're trying to do, is get the water to stop running. And so if we can soak it up or diffuse it somewhat, it helps, because water we see runs in a straight line. And so if it's running downhill, it will run even if it's underground, it will run in a straight line. So that's what we're trying to do, is stop that, and then we're gonna do some plantings to break that up, and then on the hill the vinca minor should run and root and hold. So at any rate, I'm gonna get to it, and we'll have the guys come in and start doing some work. And so this is after we got done with the project. As you can see, they're still cleaning up. Guys are out there making it. You can see right there, well, there we go, right there. That is some rocks that we put, there's no gutter on the porch, and so it was, you can see that it's taken and making a ditch there, and so we covered that in. And then we went ahead and lined it with rocks and put the spicata along the line there, and then back up here, well, actually it goes from right there back over, and then it fans out and goes up to there. So we planted a lot of plants and got a lot of it taken care of. Looks really good. I think the owners are going to be very happy, and this should do a great job of erosion control over the next little bit. The rocks holding in what we had dug out, and hopefully that'll take hold until take root, and make it solid, and then should grow. And this spicata is probably just going to end up taking over the whole area, which I think will look really nice, and the owner may be very pleased with. So at any rate, there you go. Big difference from what it looked like before. Anyway, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. Have a good day.